Your competitive edge today may not exist tomorrow. AI compounds what it learns. Every customer conversation, every human system interaction, every operational decision become institutional knowledge and signal that teach your models and compounds into competitive advantage. The enterprises building that intelligence inside their own walls today are pulling ahead. Time is now. The challenge is no longer access to AI. It is keeping your intelligence inside the enterprise and making it yours. Gruve is the enterprise AI infrastructure company built for this moment. We enable the next enterprises by building AI infrastructure where intelligence stays within the enterprise. We bring the simplicity, the control, and the execution depth to scale enterprise AI. Combining our platform with services, we deliver a fully managed AI platform as a service deployable on-premise, in the cloud, or hybrid. Introducing PulseAI, giving you the power of your data, your knowledge. A secure infrastructure-to-agent platform, integrated with control layer and observability that keeps your data, your models, and your agents inside your own private perimeter, wherever you deploy. From the infrastructure layer all the way up to agents, PulseAI manages the entire stack. Model lifecycle management and quota management across your business units and organizations. Full observability across security, cost, and productivity. It ships pre-integrated with NVIDIA AI Enterprise, NAN, and several agent frameworks. PulseAI platform is a pre-validated, production-ready platform that goes from deployment to business outcomes in as fast as 2 weeks. Available in multiple configurations, PulseAI sizes to match where your enterprise is today and where it needs to scale tomorrow. PulseAI platform provides deterministic pricing for AI, while where most of the current providers are charging behavioral token-based pricing. For enterprises operating at hyperscale, Gruve offers PulseAI Pod, an AI cluster that scales from 256 to 2048 NVIDIA B300 GPUs, deployed in partnership with NeoClouds. Runs validated industry-leading architecture. Every infrastructure tier delivers the same data sovereignty and intelligence ownership. PulseAI platform is powered by NVIDIA, delivered through channel, and in partnership with Cisco. Picture your enterprise 3 years from now. Every customer interaction learned from, modeled, and compounded into a proprietary intelligence that no competitor can replicate. Every workflow optimized by agents running on infrastructure you own, trained on data that never left your walls. Every business unit operating with AI that grows smarter with every use, because the knowledge stays with you. This is the compound effect of starting now. The enterprises that build this infrastructure today will hold an advantage that cannot be acquired later. You cannot buy years of compounded learning. You either own it, or you do not. Gruve brings the infrastructure, the software, the security, the team. All you bring is the decision to own what you build. We enable the next enterprise. Welcome to PulseAI, where your data is your knowledge. Gruve.ai.